gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks and it's Subscription Box Saturday. And in today's video, I have for you my Kal-elle Fandom monthly subscription. So I'm really not sure if this is the February box or not. I think this is the February box because I thought I just got the January box, which I released last week. So I'm not sure. I saw a bunch of different emails where they were backed up with their shipments and stuff, and I didn't know they turned auto renewals off. So I hope that I'm going to continue to get this subscription. I'm gonna have to take a look at what my settings are and all that fun stuff because they were having difficulty getting their products in. So I think this one is the February box. So we're just gonna roll with that. So without further ado, let's see what they sent this month. Okay, guys, so here's my box. So I gotta say, guys, I actually am surprised it's a box because this is always a bag. So I'm kind of curious to see what we got this month. Let's pop her open. All right, so I'm gonna start with the stuff on the side here. Ooh, Lord of the Rings, The Hobbit. Okay, so they always give you a card that has everything that's in there, and this is a really nice card this time, guys, so very cool. And they always have a print in all of these, and like I said, I gotta figure out what I'm going to do with these prints because they're kind of just getting stacked up, and I want to do something fun with them. I just don't know what yet. As soon as I figure it out, I'll let you guys know. But this is a very cool print. Like it. I like these prints that they send in these things. They're always super, super cool. So let's see what they say about that. I think it might just say print. I don't know. 4x6 art print. Yeah, that's all they say about it. So there you go. That's what that is. And what's this one? Woo! So this is why they sent a box, apparently. Let's see. Ooh. It is useless to meet revenge with revenge. It will heal nothing. God, that is so true. I don't watch this stuff, so that's pretty awesome. I like that little saying. Are you guys going to get all this? Maybe back up a little bit so that you guys can get the whole thing. I really like that. Like, the whole quote is really cool. And the picture itself. I'm down. I like it. I don't watch Lord of the Rings or The Hobbit or any of that kind of stuff. So I'm not going to know very much about this whole box, but I like the first two things. So let's go ahead and dig in. The rest of it is in this bubble wrap. Bubble wrap? Tissue paper. So let's pop it open. See what we got going on in here. Ooh. Okay, so we have a very cool magnet. I love that they send magnets. Them and the Heroes Tower are really hooking me up because I actually need more magnets, amazingly. Even though I keep getting them in these things, I need more for my fridge. So this is very cool. I don't know anything about this whole thing, again, because I don't watch Lord of the Rings or any of that stuff, but I really like this magnet. I gotta say, I'm digging the whole thing. So I don't know, maybe I should watch it. Maybe I will. Okay, so, ooh, they sent me stickers. They never send stickers. That's exciting. So we have a nice little packet of stickers here, guys. That's very, very cool. All right, let's open it up. I don't know if it said where the magnet was from on the thing. So we'll take a quick look at that because I'm getting a little sidetracked here. Boo-boo-boo! That was a Hobbit hole poster. That's what that was. Okay, very cool. So then we have the stickers, and it just says stickers set of 6. They really don't give you much explanation. So I am not going to know what any of this is, but anyone who is into this thing can let me know, or I'll try to find it. I doubt I'll try to find it, but I could. So there's that one, which is very cool. I don't know. This looks like a little ring, which is, again, super cool. Lord of the Rings, right? Just saying. Awesome. These would actually make a really cool pair of shoes. So I don't know. Maybe I'll still do something with these, even though I have no idea what any of it is. Because again, I don't watch the Lord of the Rings, but I'm still saying this stuff is really cool. All right. Awesome. Okay. So I have a couple more stickers. I just like to show you guys everything that you get in here. So I'm sure people might fast forward through this part, but whatever. Okay. They fast forward through everybody's videos at some point. Anyways, this is very cool. I'm digging this guy. What can I do with him? I don't know. And then this one says, even the smallest person can change the course of the future. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Gives me hope, doesn't it? Here you go. I guess it has something to do with like a hobbit or something like that. I'm not a hobbit, but I'm a very short person, so I'm just saying. All right, there's all the stickers. What else do we got in here? Let's dig this out. Ooh, this is pretty. Guys, I am digging this stuff. Lord of the Rings has a great aesthetic. I'm just saying. How many times can I say just saying? We'll put a counter up. I don't know. I probably said it a lot. All right, so here we go. I love this, guys. This aesthetic is awesome. I I seriously love the aesthetic of this stuff. Like I said, I don't watch it, but I'm going to use it all because this aesthetic is very cool. So then we have the jewelry stuff in this little organza bag. So let's open this up. See what they sent jewelry-wise. You get jewelry every single month. I love this subscription. I mean, they just kill it. They kill it. I don't even remember how much I pay for this thing, but I can tell you right now, I know it's worth every penny. Because I seriously love this stuff, even if I don't know what it is. The aesthetic of what they pick out is pretty stellar. Okay, I'm going to open this up like all the way because I feel like you guys can't see this stuff because of the glare of the ring light if I don't take it out of the packaging. So I'm taking it all the way out. Oh, I guess this is a bracelet. Wow, I dig this stuff. Oh my gosh, I seriously, like, look guys, hold on. See if I can show it to you guys in a way where it's not like messed up. I don't know. Here we go. It's a bracelet, but it is so pretty. I mean, this is really pretty. Like I said, I am totally going to rock all this stuff. I really like this stuff. Wow. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Yeah, I got to check out Lord of the Rings because this aesthetic is stellar. Look at these earrings. Yes! I love them. Oh my gosh. I mean, I really love them. They look like vintagey and stuff. I mean, I guess that's what Lord of the Rings would be, but this is really, I love it. I love it. This is so, oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, let me open this up for you guys. I love this whole set. This is so pretty. Does this open? Stop it. I mean, just stop it if the whole thing opens up. I think it does. Oh, it says, in a hole in the ground where there lived a hobbit. Stop it! Oh my God, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at this, okay? So here it is, just like this, all right, which is really cool. But this little door right here, guys, you hold it back up. This little door right here opens. So let me open up the door. It's kind of hard for me to open. I guess it might be my rings or something, or nails, I mean. So look at the inside of that. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I just love this. I mean, I really love this. This is so awesome. They killed it, man. I love what they pick out for this one. Okay, so we have, one more thing, which is, what is going on? I mean, they're killing it, guys. I mean, killing it. What is going on in here? I mean, there's like all kinds of stuff. I see brushes happening, but what else is there? Oh, stop. Okay, so we have all of these awesome brushes. Look at this. Okay, so we have all these brushes. You know, with the angle. Let me fill one of them. Well, they're super soft. I'll definitely use them. And look, they're on this, like, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Wow. Look at that. What? I mean, does everybody have a brush set like this? I think not. That's like by far one of the coolest brushes I've ever seen. I mean, I really love this. So, and it's like a whole like eye set, and they give me a bag with it. Hello. So I can put all of my little green brushes in my pink bag, just like this. Boop! Love it! Ah! Guys, they friggin' killed it. All right, let's take a look at the card here. So it was a hobbit hole necklace, and then the, I don't know, Tolkien. Again, guys, I don't know anything about Lord of the Rings, but I know that I love this aesthetic, and every single thing they sent to me is amazing. So I'm really excited about it. And that was a Kal-elle exclusive, the earrings were. And then the Gandalf and Frodo bracelet, that also was a Kal-elle exclusive. Oh my God, it was so gorgeous. I loved that bracelet. Then the Hobbit Hole poster, Lord of the Rings Elven makeup brush set. That was stellar. So pumped about that. Then we got a set of 6 stickers, the magnet, the 4x6 art print, and then the Tree of Gondor pin, which is a subscriber exclusive. Guys, they friggin' nailed this one. I mean, I really liked this one. Of all the ones that I got so far, I mean, I've loved them all, honestly. And I do wear the jewelry and stuff like that. You guys probably haven't seen me wear it very often on the channel, which I should wear more often, but I do wear it and I absolutely love it. But this box was amazing. I think this was one of their best boxes so far. And I don't even watch Lord of the Rings. I'm just saying. Is the counter up there? How many times did I say just saying? All right, guys, that's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's subscription, but why can I say today? Today's, should I pick something else? Because I can't say that. My name is Amber Meeks, and it's Subscription Box Saturday, and I have for you my Kal-elle monthly subscription. Why do I keep leaning back? Woo! Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and it's Subscription Box Saturday, and I have for you my Kal-elle monthly subscription. Kal-elle Fandom monthly. Try her one more time. My name is Amber Meeks, and it's Subscription Box Saturday, and I have for you my Kal-elle Fandom monthly subscription. Try it one more time.